Assalamu alaikum. A.K. Munjurillahi, lecturer, Department of English, Government of Khulna College. Dear learners, today I am going to take class on how to write formal letter. So let's start the class. You know, in formal letter, you have some different parts that you have to focus while writing formal letter. So first, let's see the different parts of a formal letter. First, date. Number 2, designation and address of the recipient. Number 3, subject. Number 4, salutation. Number 5, body of the letter. Number 6, subscription. Number 7, signature and identity. Okay, now I am going to discuss it so that you can understand. First, date. Well, for your better understanding, I have given a sample application, formal letter or application here so that you can understand. So, letter at the top of the left side of your answer script, date. Okay, and here you have to remember some important things that are for date there are different formats, but you have to choose the best format. For example, someone writes in this way, okay, they write date in this way, but don't write date in this way. Rather, use this format, 24 April 2021. Okay, so first date. Okay, then designation and address of the recipient. Think that you are writing a formal letter to the principal of your institution. So how you can write? The principal, Government North Khulna College, Tarakada, Khul. Okay, so designation, this is the designation, the principal, and address of the recipient, address Government North Khulna College, Tarakada, Khul. Number 3, subject. That means what you are going to elaborate in the body of the letter, that you have to mention briefly in the subject. For example, subject, prayer for a full free studentship. Okay, this is the subject. That means in your body part, what you are going to discuss, it will be understood by seeing the subject. Number 4, salutations. Okay, salutations. There are different way you can write. For example, we use most commonly we use sir or madam, or you can write dear sir or dear madam, or you can write respected sir or madam. Okay, it's up to you. You can choose any one of these. Then body of the letter. Now the most important things. That means the body. Here you have to write what you want to tell or what you need. Okay, here in the body part, the beginning. Okay, the beginning is very important because you have different options while writing the beginning of the body part. Okay, for example, I have written here, I would like to state that. Okay, this is one type. Another one is, I beg most respectfully to state that. Or you can write, I have the honor to state that. Or you can write, with due respect and humble submission, I would like to state that. Okay? Here you have to mention what you want to tell. Okay. Then subscription. Okay. Subscriptions. That means at the end you are going to give the subscription part. Okay. For example, for subscription you can write yours sincerely, yours obediently, yours faithfully. Okay. Last one, signature and identity. That means the signature of the writer. Okay. Think that you are Tamal, so yours sincerely Tamal, class 12. Okay. So these are the rules of formal letter. That means you have to add, you have to put all these things correctly to get good marks. Okay. So these are the things that you have to put, but there are some tips that you have to remember while writing formal letter. First one, start writing from the top left side of the copy. Okay. We follow this style. At the think that this is your answer script. Okay. And you have to start from the top left. This is top left. This is top right. Okay. So top left side. Okay. Use the information given in the question paper. Look, there is a question. Suppose you are Tamal, a student of class 12 of Government North Khulna College. Your father, who is a pretty clerk in a private firm. Okay. So this is the question, and there something, some few lines. I am not reading that. So think that this is a question, and here you have some information. What is the information? First one, your name, Tamal. Then another one is class 12. That means which class you are in. Of which college, it is also mentioned of Government North Khulna College. Okay. Then you have another information, that is what is your father. Okay. Profession of your father, a pretty clerk in a private firm. So you have to use this information at the time of writing formal letter. So let's see. This is date, then this is designation and address of the recipient, and here it is mentioned. That means Government North Khulna College. Okay. So you are writing to the principal. So the principal, North Khulna College, Tarokada, Khulna. Okay. Then subject matter. It is mentioned here. Full free studentship. You are writing a formal letter to the principal of your college for a full free studentship. So prayer for a full free studentship. This is your subject. Okay. Then you have the information, that is, look, I have started. I would like to state that. Then my father is a pretty clerk in a private firm. So you have to mention it because you get the information in your question here. Okay, so you have to put these things and look at the signature and identity part. Tamal. So yours sincerely, Tamal, class 12. Okay, these are the things that you have to use. Number 3, try to finish writing in one page. Okay, so while you are writing formal letter, you will try your best to complete it within a single page. Okay, don't write any extra information. That means this is formal letter. Okay, so in formal writing you should not give any extra information. Just be formal and just give the information that is related to your topic. So this is all about today's class, and I believe if you follow the tips and the techniques, I believe you can do better at the time of writing formal letter. Okay, goodbye, see you next time. Allah Hafiz.